Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have taken this out of the box. The box was kind of messed up, so I took it out, but this is going to be a gaming chair. So we're gonna go ahead and set that up. Watch me do it. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so let me aim you guys back here a little bit. So this is a chair. Check this out. Man, it rolls great. And it's got super padding on it there. It is comfortable. It goes down here so it can fit under my desk if I need to, or just relaxing, I can just have it like that. It's got the adjustable so I can go up and down. It's got this lumbar support pillow, which you turn around backwards, and it's got a massaging those rotating balls that go against you, which is really cool too. So you've got a double usage there. If you need to make it more wide, if you're more robust, it's got a lot of space there. You can probably get an extra couple of inches on either side, so that's good for larger people as well. And it's got that. And what was the other one here? There was this for, I guess it's the locking in the back, so you can either tilt back like that, recline, and then I can recline. I can pull out the seat. I guess I need to work on this a little bit here, but there you go. You have the seat there like that with the rest. I can totally recline with that and have a comfortable chair. And lock it in place. That's pretty cool. So neat little setup here. Woo, I can just go way back. I could be sleeping in this thing. Super comfortable. The padding is nice and thick. So I'm gonna say this one here's the winner. Check it out. You can see it from all sides. As I was putting it together, had a couple of little issues, but if you can put together Lego or something simple like that, I mean, it's just putting screws into the holes and making it work. So it's great. So super easy to put together. And I like it. It's probably gonna be my new desk chair in my office because it's comfy. I like it. Thumbs up. Oh, and here's what it looks like without a person sitting in it. Really nice.